wake up. Collect your money. Collect your money. Wake up. Collect your money.
Young lady.
Hi.
Are you going my way?
You are so funny. Hey? You are going this way and I'm going this way.
No. Oh. You know? Anything for you. I can turn now. And go your way.
This man!
500,000 naira.
Sorry. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Oh, you mean the spare tire? I am not selling my spare tire. I just bought this car last week. It's a new car.
Who is talking about your spare tire? I mean 500k if you want to go my way. And you also take me to Misiano at Lekki Phase 1 for my skincare product. And also my birthday is coming, so you need to buy me 2 bone straight for my birthday that is coming.
And I'm going you straight right now. Just go your own way. My own way is not that expensive.
No now. Oga, wait. This one is too much. Can I just get a lift?
Lift kill you there.
I don't enter one chance. With all the wig where I carry safe. So, go beat me tire.